Good afternoon to all. I am Sultan Ahmed and the topic of my presentation is collaboration of knowledge network and e-learning system with social sites for teaching and learning. In this presentation, the topics that I would be covering would be introduction to research work, objective of my present work, SOA web services for collaborative e-learning and knowledge management system, explanation of overall system architecture, comparative study of e-learning and social networking tools, results and discussion, methodology, conclusion, and lastly the references. Introduction to research work. The research provides a modularized tool which will fulfill to the needs of the organization with minimal cost and high returns with zero maintenance cost. Collaborative knowledge network and e-learning environment will cater the teacher and the students' knowledge discovery and knowledge sharing. Software will provide sharing of contents and information among the students and teachers. Software will bridge the gap between the need to the day and the cost. Collaborative knowledge network and e-learning systems, web services for teaching learning can be a boon for the society, enhancing the green computing infrastructure. Object of my present work. The object of this research work is to provide a collaborative knowledge network and e-learning systems, web services for knowledge discovery, knowledge sharing, and collaboration. Software will reduce the recurring cost of the educational institution and provide the functionalities of e-learning and knowledge management to the educational institution. It will help us to collaborate between each phase of e-learning and knowledge management. SOA web services for collaborative e-learning and knowledge management system. Some of the functionalities which will be provided as a service in the collaborative knowledge network and e-learning environment are as follows. It will help us to register new users from Facebook or Twitter or Flickr or Gmail to knowledge network environment and vice versa. It will help us to design timetable and publish on social network. It will help us to publish class on knowledge network, repository and social sites. Using software, we can create groups on social sites using either e-learning tool or using knowledge management system. Using software, we can add students to knowledge network and on the social networking site groups. Using software, we can publish learning objects repositories to the social network. Using software, we can prepare quizzes, create an e-learning tool and publish the same to the social networking sites. Collaborative knowledge mapping and the e-learning system to impart extrinsic knowledge stored as a learning object inside the e-learning tool to social sites can be done. Use knowledge sharing to share and broadcast the information and publish to the social networking website can also be done using software. Using software, we can search for any topic of interest related to the course and add it to our social page and publish to the group with the help of knowledge metadata repository. We can get latest information of our course from various sources like blogs, newspapers, scientific journals, research papers on our social network group. We can do result analysis on knowledge mapping tool and publish the result to social networking sites. Now the explanation of overall system architecture. Software provide a modularized workflow for designing the collaborative e-learning and knowledge management system in an organization. Software provide a mechanism for users to create and update online content in a bottom-up fashion. An interface was created will link the web services to the social networking website. The content generation web service help the faculty members to generate and edit their content online. The explicit knowledge of producer, that means teacher or students, can be extracted and shared to consumer, that means teacher or students, by using k-means data mining algorithm. Now this is the diagram which is explaining the overall system architecture. We have social websites API, that means if we create group on social website, then social groups which are created on social sites can be connected to metadata repository using these API and the knowledge can be shared between the two. Also the information can be shared between metadata repository and learning object repository through exchange layer, and this information interchange will be in the form of XML format. Knowledge management software manage the metadata repository following the doubling code metadata initiative specification and the common exchange layer between knowledge management and e-learning tool. Pass the learning object repository information stored in LMS to the knowledge management system and vice versa. Now we do the comparative study of e-learning and social networking tools. E-learning tool, that means like Moodle or Blackboard. If we do the comparative study of e-learning tools and social networking tools, then the result of utilization of the contents for the e-learning tool was not found to be satisfactory when it was compared with SNTTL, and the comparison graph has been shown in the next slide. Thus, SNTTL is high as compared to e-learning tool in the market. The SNTTL will provide an integrated environment with the social networking tools. This is the graph which is showing the comparison between e-learning and social networking tools. Now, using our software, online quiz can be conducted. Also, online lecture notes like videos or PPT or PDF or document can be uploaded. Using software, we can also find the list of users who are accessing the online teaching contents. Now the methodology. The methodology which we have used for designing the software is waterfall methodology. The software is designed using service-oriented architecture concept. All the web services are individually designed and can communicate with each other. Last but not the least, conclusion. Collaborative knowledge network and e-learning system with social sites for teaching and learning will provide a bridging gap between the student and instructor and enhance the higher education. All the modules of tool are web services, hence they are easy to integrate, and plug-in modules are available as and when required by the end users. Software will be available 24/7 without any maintenance and deployment cost. It will improve the usability of the contents created by the faculty members. Now the references that I have taken for making this software, these are the references. Thank you. If you have any problem regarding the software or regarding the presentation and you are to ask any question, you can ask me at my Gmail account, which is maintained at sltnahmed472@gmail.com. Thank you once again.